Welcome to this video. I don't know about AI. How can ChatGPT help me? We will discover how this powerful tool can simplify your daily life, boost productivity, and unlock new possibilities. No tech expertise required. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the AI Education series. We begin with Chapter 1, Why AI Feels Confusing and Why It Doesn't Have to Be. Many people feel overwhelmed by AI, but we will simplify it. The AI myth is that it's too complex. While billions are still unfamiliar, over 800 million weekly ChatGPT users prove its accessibility. Crucially, AI understands everyday language, not just technical jargon. Is AI a mystery or magic? The truth is much simpler. AI is just a tool designed to understand you and assist you, not confuse you with complexity. What exactly is ChatGPT? It's your friendly AI assistant created by OpenAI. It was launched over 3 years ago and uses natural language, meaning you can talk to it naturally. ChatGPT has a massive reach, with 800 million weekly users and growing, including professionals and students. Millions rely on it daily for work, learning, and personal use, proving its global impact across sectors. Chapter 2 focuses on what ChatGPT can actually do for you. ChatGPT can make everyday life easier through perfect planning for date nights or vacations. You can also get quick explanations for complex topics and help with everyday writing tasks, like drafting emails or grocery lists. To work smarter, not harder, use ChatGPT to brainstorm fast and generate creative ideas. You can summarize long reports instantly and even use it for tech troubleshooting, such as generating code snippets. Unlock learning and creativity through simplified learning, like explaining complex science concepts. Utilize it for creative expression, such as writing stories, and for research support, including fact-checking and organizing information. Amanda Smith, a freelance writer, uses AI to draft initial article structures and brainstorm topics. She saves over 10 hours weekly and has increased her client roster by 40% in 6 months. This highlights how AI can be a creative partner. Getting started is easy. Just use your browser and open it to chatgpt.com. Sign up for a free account, log in, and you are ready to go. You get a lot of power for free. In the beginning, start simple conversations. Don't overthink it, just experiment. Example prompts include asking it to explain photosynthesis, write a polite email, or give you healthy dinner ideas. Your first conversation might look like this, with a natural and conversational interaction. No coding or technical knowledge is required to begin using ChatGPT. Next step is to use custom GPTs for specific needs. These include Legal GPT, Travel GPT, and Wellness GPT. You can also create your own GPTs tailored to your unique interests and professional needs. This step is about saving and organizing your chats. Rename conversations for quick retrieval and store your most useful prompts in a personal library. Over time, you'll build a custom toolkit of AI helpers for any situation. Next, let's cover some essential tips and tricks to get the best results when interacting with ChatGPT. When crafting effective prompts, be clear and specific. Instead of vague requests, use details, follow-up questions to refine answers, and request step-by-step explanations for processes. To avoid common pitfalls, remember that ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff, so the latest data might be missing. Always verify critical information from authoritative sources and treat AI as an assistant, not the final authority. We now move to Chapter 5, The Future is Friendly, How ChatGPT Will Keep Helping You. AI integration is becoming widespread, embedding ChatGPT into workplace tools like Microsoft Word and Google Workspace. Advanced capabilities include text-to-video creation and handling complex tasks like data analysis and strategic planning. AI is empowering everyone through knowledge democratization and accessibility support. It also supports lifelong growth, skill development, and career advancement. Overcoming fear means understanding that AI is a tool, not a threat. It is designed to augment human skills and is developed with ethical standards. You are always in control of how you use your AI assistant. Chapter 6, Your First ChatGPT Challenge. Let's try it together. Here are some quick demo prompt ideas you can try right now. Ask for help writing a thank you note, explaining a complex topic simply, or planning a trip on a budget. Ready to explore? Your AI journey starts now. ChatGPT is a friendly and approachable assistant that requires no prior expertise. Bring your curiosity and join the millions of users discovering new possibilities. Try it today.